Hi everybody, welcome back to House of Miracles Learning Adventures channel. Do you like cooking? Today we will start our Hell's Kitchen adventure. Are you ready? Let's begin. Pour. Pour water, pour milk, pour lemonade. Sprinkle. Sprinkle salt, sprinkle sugar. Stir. Stir the soup, stir the stew. Scoop ice cream. Whisk eggs. Slice bread, slice vegetables. Chop carrots, chop cucumbers. Peel a banana, peel a potato. Flip a pancake. Squeeze a lemon. Wring the towel, wring the cloth. Twist the bottle cap. Take the quiz now. What is the cook doing? Did you say chopping? Yes, he is chopping onions. Did you say slicing? Yes, she is slicing meat. Did you say sprinkling? Yes, she is sprinkling. Did you say stirring? Yes, she is stirring her drink. Did you say pouring? Yes, she is pouring wine. Did you say scooping? Yes, he is scooping flour. Did you say flipping? Yes, he is flipping meatballs. Did you say squeezing? Yes, she is squeezing a lemon. Did you say twisting? Yes, she is twisting the bottle cap. Did you say peeling? Yes, she is peeling an apple. Hey, I hope you have enjoyed the video. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for the next part of Hell's Kitchen Challenge.